So I'll be explaining my course project for COE 546. It's an IoT network with the hot standby routing protocol. So HSRP is implemented on these two routers and these two routers right here. It basically allows these two routers to assume one virtual address, and this one is in charge of routing the data since it's the active one with a higher priority. And in case any failure happens on this router will assume the virtual address, which is this one right here. So let's test it. Simulation mode. Let's ping from this PC to this router, let's see. On the way back, it can go either way. It chooses the active one. Now it's successful. Now, let's say this link goes down. So let's try to ping again. Now it's successfully pinged this router. So as you can see, any failure can happen. The HSRP takes care of it. Now let's ping this one again. Let's bring it back. So the IoT network, here we have the plant or industrial plant where sensors and actuators exist. And here we have the servers. So these LCDs will print the readings of these sensors. And these servers, this one is the MQTT broker, where clients can subscribe and publish. These routers will subscribe to these topics right here, and they will forward the data to a Python script, and the Python script will forward the data to a Firebase. So let's see how it works. First of all, let's run the MQTT broker. All right. Oh, okay, let's run it again. Okay, it's connected to the broker. Let's connect this thermometer. So they all publish data to this MQTT broker, and some other devices will subscribe to this data. Now it's connected to the broker. So let's run the Python script right here. This Python script will forward the data to the Firebase. So if we run these servers right here, each server will subscribe to a certain topic. This one will subscribe to the switch. So it's connected. And the Python script will forward the data to the Firebase. So let's see. This one right here, this SPC will subscribe to all the topics, and it will print the output of the sensors on these LCDs as a sort of monitoring. So it's connected. It will print these values in a moment. So let's see the Python script. It's publishing. Published means it's forwarding the data to the Firebase. It's receiving the data from the packet tracer file to the Python, and then sends this data to Firebase. So you can see this is Firebase. The potentiometer, we have the potentiometer value is 0, and it adds a time label. This is from the Python script. So if we vary the value of the potentiometer here, and let's turn the switch on. So it should vary in a moment. Yes, it's changed. Now the switch is on right now, and before it was off, and this is the time of the So this is basically my project, and as you can see, these LCDs will print the values of these sensors. So if we have a control room right here, or some offices, we can monitor the plant remotely using EIGRP network with the head standby routing protocol. Uh, Thank you, and that's all. Thank you.